The power of music binds family in GMA Network's Inagaw na Bituin. GMA Network opens the year with a one-of-a-kind and extraordinary masterpiece that will touch the lives and tug at viewers' heartstrings with the afternoon prime soap, Inagaw na Bituin.
Baka isang araw magising na lang siya, maalala niya na ang tunay niyang pangalan ay Ana.
Nay, sino po si Ana?
Beginning February 11, a compelling musical drama series unfolds, featuring the country's most respected and talented artists. Two of the network's highly talented and sought-after actresses, Kailane Alcantara and Therese Malvar, play the important roles of Ana Sevilla, Elsa de la Cruz, and Ariela Lopez, respectively. Ana is the only daughter of a popular showbiz couple. She grows up to be a kind and respectful girl, but fiercely protects the people she loves. An unfortunate incident changed her life when she was taken away from her parents. Due to the effects of trauma, Ana forgets her memories and lives a new identity as Elsa with the people she calls family.
Alam niyo po ba yung totoong dahilan kung bakit ayaw na lumapit kami kay Miss Belinda Lopez? Di pa magtapos ang issue na yan? Ang sabi lang po kasi talaga ni Nanay, baliw daw po si Miss Belinda. Kaya ayaw niyo po kami lumapit sa kanya.
Ariela, on the other hand, is closer to her grandmother than her mother. However, she is used to getting her way just like her mother, whom she aspires to be like.
Si Margo pala yung kinuha niyo dito. Mas magaling naman po ako doon. Hindi naman po kasi gumagalaw yung face niya. Baka daw masira yung nose job and yung botox niya.
Playing equally significant roles is a powerhouse ensemble composed of seasoned actors and actresses. Marvin Agustin as Edward Sevilla, a composer and a loving father to Ana, Elsa.
Ako mismo nakakita na hinalikan mo yung lalaking yon. Kaya kung gusto mo maging tayo pa, layuan mo yung matabang yon.
Angelica de la Cruz as Lucy Lopez, Ariela's mother, who was a one-hit wonder.
Ako lang naman yung kaya mong pabayaan. Si Belinda, hindi. Kaya nga nung maliit kami, ako yung ipinamigay mo kay Tita Mina, di ba? Tapos ay inalagaan mo. O di sige, magsama kayo!
Gabby Eigenman as George Del Mundo, a record and concert producer with a mysterious past.
Akong bahala sa'yo. I will manage you. Kaya kitang pasikatin ulit.
Angelo De Leon as Aurora de la Cruz, Ana, Elsa's adoptive mother.
Sana wag mo kami isumbong sa mami mo, ha? Nangako naman siya na isusoli ka niya sa mami mo, eh.
And Sunshine Dizon as Belinda Sevilla, the biological mother of Ana, Elsa, and a famous singer.
Desperada ako kasi gusto ko makita yung anak ko. Gusto kong makita si Ana.
Pag-usapan natin tong dalawa.
Please. Wala na si Ana. Hindi ko man lang siya nabawi. Pupunta na lang ako kung nasaan siya. Susunod na lang ako.
Completing the cast are Jackie Lu Blanco as Regina Lopez, ina ni Belinda at Lucy, doting mother who shows her concern sa mga anak. Mahal niya ang dalawang anak, pero ang tingin ni Lucy, mas paborito niya si Belinda. In truth, she just gets frustrated sa mga maling desisyon at katigasan ng ulo ni Lucy.
Nak, hindi ko siya pinilit magtrabaho. Siya naman itong gusto maging singer. Sinuportahan ko lang naman siya pero hindi ko siya pinersa.
Gerald Napoles as Paul Isagan, Edward's friend and former bandmate.
Sigurado ka, walang nararamdaman yon kahit katiting? Oo. Baka mamaya naghahanap ng rebound yun. Bagay ka maging bola ng rebound niya.
Aliana Asistio as Tiana Pablo, Belinda's friend and personal assistant.
Belinda, ano ba tayo nagdadramahang tatlo dito? Dapat to happy tayo kasi ikakasal ka na. Ang pinakamasayang araw ng buhay mo.
Manolo Pedrosa as Prince Antonio, pamangkin ni Queenie, childhood friend ni Ariela. Busy sa work abroad ang parents, kaya kay Queenie na lumaki. Growing up, he was influenced by Ariela, kaya naging maloko. mischievous, magbabago when he falls for Elsa.
Dude!
Ikaw na naman?
Halis dyan, no? Kasi narinig mo yung boss ko kanina.
Well, I really can't go, dude. Flat ang gulong ko.
Renz Valerio as Philip Bautista, an aspiring musician who is secretly in love with Elsa.
Nakahanap na ako nung magpapalitan tayo mo.
Napalitan na.
Sir, paano po yung mga pinya?
Bigay niyo sa kanya.
Melbelin Caluag as Melody de la Cruz, anak ni Aurora na lalaking naniniwala na totoong kapatid niya si Elsa. Magaling kumanta pero kulang sa confidence. Laging kasama ni Elsa sa mga singing contest.
Tingnan mo to ate, oh. Hiningi ko kay father. Nakita ko kasi sa community billboard dun sa loob ng simbahan. Di ba ito yung gusto nating salihan na singing contest?
And Patricia Tumulak as Queenie Bellato, Lucy's friend and manager.
And guess kung sino magko-compose ng album niya? Your ex, Edward. Titigil na raw niya ang pagbabanda niya so we can focus on writing and producing her songs.
Featuring in the pilot week in guest roles are Michael Flores as Enrique Iking de la Cruz, a petty criminal who will play the father of Anna, Elsa.
Tulog na tulog nga eh. Humihilik pa ata.
Hindi mo patawagan.
Siyempre, hinihintay ko yung go signal ng boss ko.
And Ramon Christopher as Wolfgang Garcia, Lucy's lover who is a drug lord.
Galing kasi ng bokalista niya eh. Gusto ko sana siya makilala.
Gusto mo ba siyang i-meet after her set?
Gusto kong mapaghandaan ng oras na ipakikilala mo kami sa isa't isa.
So, ang biggest surprise for you.
Inagaw na Bituin is a riveting tale that started when Anna, the daughter of showbiz power couple Belinda and Edward, was kidnapped. The kidnappers were caught dead, but Anna was never found. Devastated with the loss of their child, the two decided to end their marriage. Belinda suffers a nervous breakdown, and with her sister unstable, Lucy takes control of Belinda's assets, which she used to rebuild her singing career. Little did they know that Anna is still alive, living with her kidnapper's family, and changed her name to Elsa. Years later, Anna, Elsa, and Ariela's worlds collide in the pursuance of their music careers. Their rise to fame led to the unraveling of Anna's true identity and the despicable secrets of her family. Apart from sharing the same dream, the two also vie for the heart of the man they both love. Inagaw na Bituin is under the helm of highly acclaimed director Mark Reyes V. The show's creative team is composed of creative director Aloy Adlawan, creative head RJ Nuevas, creative consultant Des Severino, head writer Obet Villela, writers Jamie Catanyan, Tina Velasco, and brainstormers Jason Lim, Dantes Usman. The original series, created by the GMA Drama Group, is headed by the SVP for Entertainment Group, Lilibeth G. Razonable, VP for Drama, Reggie A. Magno, AVP for Drama, Cheryl Ching Si, Senior Program Manager, Helen Rose Sese, and Executive Producer, Roseline Atienza. Don't miss the much-awaited premiere of Inagaw na Bituin, beginning February 11 on GMA Afternoon Prime. Get the latest updates about Inagaw na Bituin from the official Facebook page of GMA Drama, www.facebook.com/GMA Drama, Twitter account @GMA Drama, and the GMA Network website www.gmanetwork.com. Kapuso viewers from across the globe can also catch their favorite Kapuso shows via GMA's international channels, GMA Pinoy TV, GMA Life TV, and GMA News TV International. For the program guide, visit www.gmapinoytv.com.